Well, welcome to my channel. I'm a wood turner. My name is Alan Mills. There's some bad storms come through yesterday, and I can hear a chainsaw off in the distance. It really makes me want to go see what they're doing. But about 3 or 4 weeks ago, just a shout out to Jason Harris, a co-worker, friend, gave me this piece of cherry burl. It's really got some beautiful figuring in it. And we're going to turn it into a little bowl. The first thing to do is to get it ready for the lathe. And this is about, I have a 12-inch swing on my lathe. This is about 11.5 inches. And I got my trusty little pipe in here. I know this works every time, but it's a 9-inch pipe hand, so it's 9 inches from edge to edge, and I can get a pretty good feel for the corners I've got to knock off in order for it to spin on the lathe. I've already marked my center. And I'm going to screw on a faceplate. This is a faceplate. Safety police are probably going to get on me because I'm wearing baggy clothing around a lathe and power equipment. But it is what it is. This isn't my first rodeo. Now, what I'll do is that little marker I've already made there with a piece of chalk is mark my center. And you'll notice I'm trying to keep my holes not directly in line with each other in the grain. Now, come on. Get one on me and the rest of it go quicker. The reason for that is it could cause it to split along the grain. Now I'm just eyeballing the center, my little center chalk mark I made. And then we'll get it in here. These are regular pan screws, about 1.5 inches long, number 10s. Works out good. I know a lot of people use other methods, but that's what I do. In this circumstance, it'd probably be the easiest. Alright, now we gotta mark the corners that we're going to take off. Again, I'm just eyeballing it, and kind of save as much of that burl as possible. Just chalk it off here a little bit. It speeds up the process by having it more or less closer to round. My little nub of chalk got left out in the rain. My fault. By the way, this is my shop here on my porch. Very small area. I share it with a smoker grill and a gas grill. And I've got wood and lumber. And I've got my lathe out here and my sharpening station on a cart. I've got tools everywhere. Yes, it's a little convoluted, but it is what it is. I love my little blacking vector workbench table. All I'm doing is squeezing down on the edge and let the edge hang off that I want to cut. Doesn't have to be exact. Just need to knock some of this corner off. Get my chainsaw plugged in. Just a couple quick cuts and we'll have it ready. sure he's tight. Rotate it. Knock another corner off. You know what? I'm going to take just a little bit off the end there. Yeah, you can't see what's happening, can you? Let me tilt the camera down just a little bit, give you a little better picture. That angle. Got this resin coming out of this cherry. Sticky. Eyeball it. Looking pretty good. Let me just whack it a little bit off the end. And now we're ready for a test fit. If it doesn't fit, then I'll take it off and then figure out where I need to whack it a little bit more. This should work fine though. Yep, just clears. A little bit shorter on one side than the other. That'll give me some wobble. But you'll notice I've got a ratchet strap on my lathe holding it down. Works wonders. I've got some grub screws that lock my faceplate down. Does a couple things for me. Allows me to turn in reverse if I wish without unscrewing the faceplate from the spindle. And it keeps it from getting too far locked down to where I can't get the darn thing loose again. Let's get it laid over just a little bit more for you. There's the situation. I've got locking casters on my lathe. And done with this for a few minutes, for a little while. Warriors are a premium here. All right, I'm gonna take a short coffee break, and when I come back, we're going to start turning.